Now in this video of LinQ, we are going to cover the equality operators. So here in this particular video, we will cover the sequence equal operator, which will actually compare the couple of outputs which we can generate from the two sequences. If the result of both these sequences in this operator is same, then it will return you a boolean true, otherwise a boolean false. So let's have a practical implementation of the sequence equal operator in equality operators. So here let's discuss about the sequence equal operator in the equality operators. Here I have a couple of sequences like the first statement and after that it's a second statement. So let's see what these statements are saying. The first statement here is asking for the name and salary of all those employees who are earning between 35 and 40,000. So here I have these two employees who are earning between these ranges. Similarly, in the another sequence, in the another statement, what I am asking is I want to get the name and salary of those employees who are in department 30. So in department 30, I have these two employees. So as you can see, the output of both these statements are going to be same. For example, these are the two employees who are earning the salary between 35,000 and 40,000, and these are the two employees who are working in department 30. And for both these statements, I am getting the name and salary only. So the output of both these sequences are exactly same. So when I will print the result, it is going to be a boolean because sequence of equal will return you the boolean value. So this is going to return a true, as here you can see. But if there is any change in the output, for example, if I'll say from 35,000 to 45,000, now one more record will be added in the list, that is this one. So what it will do, now the output of first statement and second statement is not exactly same, and in that particular case this sequence equal operator will return the false. So this is about the equality operator and the sequence equal operator.